Hey everyone, if you're just chiming in, we're going to be talking about the iJOY warranty process today. Okay everyone, these are some pointers on how you're going to need to process your claim, but don't worry, we're going to go ahead and walk you through it, so get ready. So first you want to determine whether or not your mod is a manufacturer defect or not. Usually if it's not firing because of batteries, who knows what happened to it. Anyways, you can head over to our website and click on our warranty link. There you'll be able to read over our policy and procedures. You'll also be able to find our warranty form. It has to be filled out and completed when you go to submit your device for a claim. Do not send in any of your accessories or batteries unless we have specified for you to do so. When submitting your device, please ensure that the proof of purchase is in the package as well as the warranty form. Also, a return label is optional. If you don't submit one with your package, we will contact you for the return label, as you are responsible to ship the product to and from our facility. The process is complete. You're ready to ship it. Return dates do fluctuate depending on shipping method and technician time. Please make sure that you read over our policies, and you can also check there to see what is not covered, but here are some examples. If you still have questions about our process, please send us an email.